Are you looking for an easy spread recipe? Look further, no more. Hi, I'm Leia and today I'm making hummus, delicious spread, or it can be used as a dip. Okay, let's go. We need chickpeas drained. We add to the food processor and also freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm making half the recipe, but I'm going to leave the full recipe in the description below. Also, I'm adding garlic, salt, olive oil, and spike seasoning. We are going to process everything together with some chopped parsley that I'm going to add and process everything until becomes smooth. If you like my recipe, please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm also adding tahini, which is a sesame paste. This will give a nice flavor to our hummus. This you can use as a spread, and if you want to do like a dip, you can add some of the liquid from the can to thin it and make it more as a dip. The hummus is done. Look how smooth and creamy. It's very good looking. Let's give it a taste. Mmm, delicious. I'm going to empty it into a serving bowl and I'm going to drizzle some of olive oil on top. And also, I'm going to add on top some chopped sun-dried tomatoes. You can also add, if you don't like the sun-dried tomatoes, you can add chopped roasted peppers or just some chopped green onions, or you can just leave it as it is with olive oil. Ready to serve. All you need is some pita bread. Hope you are going to give it a try and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.